Seriously, I need to talk to you men. You men that sit in public buses or commercial bus or whatever bus you have been sitting, please comport yourself. Are you the only one sitting in the bus? When you sit down, you just open your leg, you sit anyhow, forgetting that lady is beside you. Just sit and open your nyash, open everything. Can't you comport yourself? If you know you want to sit anyhow, please go and get a car or whatever. Or you order Uber or Bolt. Just sit and sit anyhow. I nearly fight in the bus this morning. And na only you God give this thing. Abeg dey comfort yourself o. You close your nyash, close everything, please. Let us sit comfortably in the bus. Let us sit comfortably in the car. Please. Enough of all this wahala you dey carry give us, these women. Sit down in the bus, you open your nyash as if you are the only one in the bus. Where did you want us to sit down? Even if you are wearing skirt, does that mean that you should open your nyash? Abeg.